Hey kids, welcome to ABC Little Rhymes. Today, we're going to learn the names of air vehicles, and fly in the sky, high above us. So sit back, relax, and let's start our fun learning journey. 1. Airplane. This is an airplane. An airplane flies in the sky. It carries people from one place to another. Airplanes are very fast. 2. Jet plane. This is a jet plane. A jet plane flies very fast. It has powerful engines. Jets travel long distances. 3. Helicopter. This is a helicopter. A helicopter can go up and down. It can land anywhere. Helicopters help in rescue. 4. Hot air balloon. This is a hot air balloon. It floats in the sky. Hot air makes it rise. It looks very colorful. 5. Glider. This is a glider. A glider has no engine. It moves with air. It glides smoothly. 6. Fighter jet. This is a fighter jet. It protects the country. It flies very fast. It is used by the Air Force. 7. Cargo plane. This is a cargo plane. It carries heavy goods. It flies between countries. It helps in trade. 8. Passenger plane. This is a passenger plane. It carries many people. It flies across the world. It is very comfortable. 9. Private jet. This is a private jet. It is small and fast. Few people travel in it. It is very luxurious. 10. Seaplane. This is a seaplane. It lands on water. It also flies in the sky. It is very special. 11. Biplane. This is a biplane. It has 2 wings. It is an old aircraft. It looks beautiful. 12. Triplane. This is a triplane. It has 3 wings. It was used long ago. It is very rare. 13. Propeller plane. This is a propeller plane. It has spinning blades. It flies with propellers. It makes a soft sound. 14. Military aircraft. This is a military aircraft. It is used by soldiers. It protects the nation. It is very strong. 15. Bomber aircraft. This is a bomber aircraft. It is used in war. It flies very high. It is very powerful. 16. Drone. This is a drone. It flies without a pilot. It is controlled from the ground. It is very smart. 17. Rescue helicopter. This is a rescue helicopter. It saves people. It helps in emergencies. It flies quickly. 18. Police helicopter. This is a police helicopter. It helps the police. It watches from the sky. It keeps people safe. 19. Medical helicopter. This is a medical helicopter. It carries sick people. It reaches hospitals fast. It saves lives. 20. Air ambulance. This is an air ambulance. It is a flying hospital. It helps patients quickly. It is very important. 21. Space shuttle. This is a space shuttle. It travels to space. It carries astronauts. It is very powerful. 22. Rocket. This is a rocket. It goes into space. It flies very fast. It makes a loud sound. 23. Satellite. This is a satellite. It stays in space. It moves around Earth. It helps communication. 24. Supersonic jet. This is a supersonic jet. It flies faster than sound. It is extremely fast. It is very advanced. 25. Stealth aircraft. This is a stealth aircraft. It is hard to see. It hides from radar. It is very modern. 26. Training aircraft. This is a training aircraft. It trains new pilots. It is easy to fly. It is very useful. 27. Ultralight aircraft. This is an ultralight aircraft. It is very light. It carries 1 person. It flies slowly. 8. Paraglider. This is a paraglider. It floats in the air. It uses wind. It looks like a kite. 29. Hang glider. This is a hang glider. A person hangs under it. It glides in the sky. It is very quiet. 30. Blimp. This is a blimp. It is filled with air. It floats slowly. It is very big. 31. Airship. This is an airship. It looks like a balloon. It flies slowly. It is very large. 32. Observation plane. This is an observation plane. It watches from the sky. It collects information. It flies carefully. 33. Spy plane. This is a spy plane. It gathers secret information. It flies very high. It is very advanced. 34. Tanker aircraft. This is a tanker aircraft. It carries fuel. It fills other planes. It helps long flights. 35. Firefighting plane. This is a firefighting plane. It drops water on fires. It helps stop forest fires. It saves trees. 36. Crop duster plane. This is a crop duster plane. It sprays farms. It helps farmers. It flies low. 37. Experimental aircraft. This is an experimental aircraft. It tests new ideas. It helps make better planes. It is very smart. 38. Solar-powered plane. This is a solar-powered plane. It uses sunlight. It saves fuel. It is eco-friendly. 39. Amphibious aircraft. This is an amphibious aircraft. It lands on land. It also lands on water. It is very special. 40. Vertical takeoff aircraft. This is a vertical takeoff aircraft. It goes straight up. It needs little space. It is very modern. Toy gyrocopter. This is a gyrocopter. It has spinning blades. It flies slowly. It is very light. 42. Autogyro. This is an autogyro. It looks like a helicopter. It flies like a plane. It is very unique. 43. Light sport aircraft. This is a light sport aircraft. It is used for fun flying. It is small and light. It is easy to fly. 44. Business jet. This is a business jet. It carries business people. It is fast and comfortable. It looks stylish. 45. Surveillance drone. This is a surveillance drone. It watches from the sky. It records videos. It helps security. 46. Military transport plane. This is a military transport plane. It carries soldiers. It carries vehicles. It helps the army. 47. Hypersonic aircraft. This is a hypersonic aircraft. It flies extremely fast. It is future technology. It is very powerful. 48. Weather research plane. This is a weather research plane. It studies clouds. It studies storms. It helps predict weather. 49. Unmanned aerial vehicle. This is an unmanned aerial vehicle. It has no pilot inside. It is controlled remotely. It is very smart. 50. Space capsule. This is a space capsule. It carries astronauts. It travels to space. It returns safely to Earth.